Hello students, good morning to everyone. This is my second video of chapter 2, chemical bonding. Last video we have discussed about that what is chemical bonding and what is ionic bond, then formation of the ionic bond. We discussed only magnesium chloride, sodium chloride. I given the homework calcium oxide. We can see whether you have done is correct or not. Before I am going to cover this video, formation of the ionic compound means that example of calcium oxide. Second one is condition of formation of ionic bond. Third one is strength of ionic bond. Now, yesterday what I given the formation of calcium oxide. See whether it is correct or not. See, calcium atomic number is 20. So, electronic configuration of calcium is 2, 8, 8, 2. So, last valence shell contains 2 electrons. Oxygen 8 atomic number, electronic configuration is 2 and 6. Last shell it contains 6 valence electrons. It attains stable electronic configuration means calcium lose the 2 electrons, it becomes stable electronic configuration. The nearest noble gas of configuration is argon. Oxygen electronic configuration 2 and 6. The 6th last valence electron, it gained the 2 electrons, it attains stable electronic configuration of nearest noble gas is neon. Okay, so we can, how it can be, that is electron dot structure. Electron dot structure. See the calcium, last is 2 electron, valence electron is there, and oxygen 6 valence electron is there. Okay, then this calcium 2, 8, 8, 2, 2, 6. Then it lose that what? 2 electrons. It lose that 2 electrons. Then it can become Ca 2 plus and O2 minus. O2 minus. Then it can be formed CaO. CaO. Calcium oxide. This is that what? 2, 8, 8. This is 2, 8. 2, 8, 8 means nearest noble gas configuration is argon. This is that what? Neon. Understood? Then it formed that what? The calcium oxide. This is the electron dot structure. Okay. And ionic equation. How we can write the ionic equation here? Calcium oxide. Ionic equation, calcium lose the 2 electrons, it becomes calcium 2 plus, and oxygen gain the 2 electrons, then it becomes O2 minus. O2 minus. Oxygen gain the electron, it becomes that what? O2 minus. Lose the electron means we know that oxidation. Gain the electron means that is what? Reduction. That after that we can discuss about oxidation, reduction. Okay. Now you can know about oxidation, lose the electron, reduction, gain the electrons. Understood? See. The next one is orbital structure. Orbit structure. Orbit structure, calcium 2, 8, 8, 2. 8 electrons, third cell 8 electrons, fourth cell 2 electrons. Oxygen 2, 6. 2, last cell 6 electrons. This 2 electrons transfer into oxygen, calcium transferred to into the oxygen atom. Then it is 2, 8, 8, 2. Then it is 2, 6. Then it becomes 2, 8, 8. Argon 2, 8, 8 and oxygen 2, 8. 2, 8. Understood? This is the orbit structure. This is that what? Orbit structure. Clear? So, I hope you understood the formation of the ionic compound. Examples: NaCl, magnesium chloride and calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. You done correctly, I think so. Next, we are going to see condition of formation of organic compounds. Second one is condition formation of ionic compound. First condition, what are the conditions? First condition, ionization potential. It depends upon ionization potential. Second one is electron affinity. Third one is electronegativity. See, ionization potential we know. Ionization potential means the amount of the energy required to remove the electron from isolated gaseous atom. Yes or no? And it becomes electropositive character and to form that what? Cations. So what is the condition of here is ionization potential to formation of the ionic bonds? If lower the ionization potential, it more easily formed cation. Okay, lower the ionization energy. Lower the ionization energy of metallic element, there is more easily formed cation. More easily formed that what? Cation. For example, Na, it is suppose I am telling, it is for example, it is 3.8 electron volt formation of Na plus, and chlorine it is 17 point something it is there, means which one is a lower, that is a more easily formed that what? Cation. Okay, so the metallic elements only formed as what? Cation. It is contains that what? Lower ionization potential it is there means more easily formation of ionic bond also. And the electron affinity. The electron affinity here is higher the electron affinity. Higher the electron affinity. Electron affinity we know. What is electron affinity? Electron affinity means the energy is released when accept the electron. When accept the electron and it forms an ion. It is an electronegative element. Electronegative element. Okay. So higher the electro-affinity, the non-metallic element, there is more easily formed an ion and more easily formation of ionic bond. More easily formation of that what? Ionic bond. The next condition is electronegativity. Electronegativity, higher or greater the difference, greater the difference between combined atom, difference between combined atom there is more formation of ionic bond. There is a what? The formation of ionic bond. For example, if it is a formation of sodium chloride, sodium is 0.9 electron volt, 0.9 electron affinity, electronegativity, and chlorine is 3 point something. It is there means the difference is nearly 2.1. Yes or no? Electron volt 2.1. So greater the difference between the combined atom, greater the value of electronegativity. Okay, it is there means there is the formation of more easily formation of ionic bond. Already we know that is when we are studying the electronegativity. At the time we know electronegativity means what? The tendency of what? Attract the shared pair of the electron towards itself in the combined atom. That you see the difference of ionization energy, electron affinity. We are seeing atom or element. We are taking that what? Atom or element. But in electronegativity only we are taking that what? Combined atom. We are taking that what? Combined atom. So more the difference in the electronegativity in the combined atom, there is more formation of ionic bond. It is a difference same in that combined atom means there is covalent bond formation. There is what? Covalent bond formation. Understood? This is the condition of formation of ionic bond. What are the conditions? First one is ionization potential. Second one is electron affinity. Third one is electronegativity. If it is a ionization potential, lower the value of ionization potential of metallic element, there is more easily formation of cation. Then it form that what? Undergo the ionic bond. And electron affinity, higher the value of electron affinity of non-metallic element, there is a formation of anion. There is a formation of that what? Anion. More easily formation of anion. Then it is what? The formation of ionic bond. Electronegativity, greater the difference between the combined atom, there is a more formation of ionic bond. This the three condition of formation of that what? Ionic bond. The next one, last one is strength of ionic bond. How we can identify strength of ionic bond? How we can know the strength of ionic bond. The magnitude of electrostatic force of attraction. The magnitude of electrostatic force of attraction formed between oppositely charged ions. Electrostatic force formed between that what? Oppositely charged ions. That is cations and anions. Positively charged ions and negatively charged ions. It is a strength of ionic bond. That is known as what? The strength of ionic bond. Strength of ionic bond means the magnitude of electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely positively charged ions, that is cation and anions. That is known as strength of ionic bond. The strength of ionic bond depends upon two factors. One is greater the difference of electronegativity. Difference of electronegativity. There is a what? More strength of ionic bond. Second one is greater the atomic radii. There is the formation of that what? Strength of ionic bond. Understood? This is the two factors of strength of ionic bond. First one is greater the difference of electronegativity. In that ionic bond, there is a what? Greater the difference of electronegativity. There is a more strength of ionic bond. And the greater the atomic radii is there means there is a more strength of ionic bond. So what is strength of ionic bond? Strength of ionic bond means the magnitude of electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged ions, that is cation and anion, is known as that what? Strength of ionic bond. The two factors of strength of ionic bond. First one is greater the difference of electron negativity. There is greater means that is a greater strength of ionic bond. Greater the atomic radii, there is a what? Greater strength of ionic bond. I hope you understood that formation of ionic bond. What is ionic bond? Formation of ionic bond and conditions formation of ionic bond. Three conditions are there: ionization potential, electronegativity and electron affinity. And the third one is strength of ionic bond. There also two factor is there: strength of ionic bond. First one is greater number of difference. The electronegativity, there is a more strength of ionic bond. Second one is greater atomic radii. There is a more strength of that what? Ionic bond. So mind it that ionization potential, electro affinity, atomic radius, there is the periodic properties, no? There is in atom and elements, only part is free. But here is electronegativity, there is we can take that what? Combined atom. That is the difference. Okay. So you can do that formation of ionic compound magnesium oxide. That is a Homer formation of magnesium oxide. You have to write ionic equation, electron dot structure, orbit structure. Okay. Thank you.